Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak kami akatanat kampok yeng ubak Preston Tensong ula ong bagitu kiba persya ya kekar kana Shri Cement. Kidai ban penpawi kijing persya jongki haka jingalang pensengupat ba ne public hearing kabala bu ban pelong haka arpo artrik jemang bad om syawai pan. Barabor ngipli ya ka lenti jinga keren. Haba kadon kanu kanu ka jingbam ya sengut jingman ngi judan bed ban pen bed ya kijing Henry menta kitu ki beriu ki persya ya ka public hearing ngatharai bakila le ka babakla ong ubak Preston haba keren shakilat thai kubor haka arpway trik jemang. Ula ong bak public hearing ka de ka jaka ka babiang tam ban bishar ya ka jing pensngau jong ki pat ba. Habangi ong public hearing ka ei kata ka long ban tip ik jing ma jing perkhat jong ki pat ba bat kinonga shimbenta laki kwa ne ya ka jing don ka karkhana do bilan. Kani ka long ka basyai bha ula ong. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ula ong bagi kindon kila kadausyai baka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB kadai ban penlong ya ka public hearing kumta ladapi persya let sya ka jaka. Habakli halor ka jing penlong jinga ki syabar ka jaka penlong public hearing uba Preston ula ong. Ngam sngotu balai bakila let penlong jinga ki ha office DC ni syaki wei ki jaka. Balai kim let sya ka public hearing habap hidan ka jing sngo kya let pen sngo sya ka jaka ni troy kam ha rukom ka basyai bha. Nalor kata ula kentaj ru ikijing keno baka sorkar ka penbor nakabenta ka jing pentroy kam ya ka project. Sngo bha kim day ban sngo thu bakla baka sorkar ka le dakabor. Phimot ayu bengile dakabor. Ladang ngile dakabor wat tang ka jing pen sngo pat ba ru kan dan satya. Bat ka kam kan da jin dalayat be syakmat ula benram. Hakabaya day bat kani ka jinga ki persya public hearing. Ngakwa ban ong hang ni baka jing perkhat jong phi kalong ka babakla. Balai phim kwa ban kandan ka public hearing. Namar ki kindon ki kdausyai baka office ka MSPCB ka kwa ban tip ka ka jing ka ka jing sngow jing ki pat ba la ka jing terwa ban seng ya ka karkhana do bilan kalong ni ka badai. Nakata ka daw la penlong ya ka public hearing ong ba Preston.
Okay, see what happened is we are always open for discussion. When there is any kind of misunderstanding, we are always there to resolve the issue. But now, those people who are against the public hearing, I think that is wrong. They made it wrong. When we say public hearing means what? To know the mind of the people, the stakeholders, whether you want to have cement factory or not. That is very clear. So if you are against it, go there. Because the provision of the rule, that regulation is very clear indicated that Pollution Control Board has to conduct the public hearing. So the public hearing will prove whether you are in favor or you are against it. Simple. So I would request again these agitators, please don't misunderstand. Please understand the stages of procedures and attend the public hearing, and you raise your concern over there in the public hearing. Because I'm not saying, see, when you say public hearing is what? Public hearing means to hear the grievances, the concerns of each and every stakeholders. So that is very important. Tinganga so ban ong hakabe day bat kani kajiya kini ki ba ong ba ngi persya ya public hearing ngamut ban ong hang ne ba kata ka jingmut jong phi ka babakla. Balai ba phim kwa ban yai ka public hearing. Namar ba ka public hearing hakane ka provision kalong ba. Nakaliam ka office jong ka Pollution Control Board ka kwa ban tip ka ka concern ka ka jing singaw jong pat ba la kata ka proposal ban set up ia kata ka cement factory ka babiang na ka bambiang day na ka daw ba pelong kanang ka public hearing te ngangam skutu balay di pelong padat dia kata ka protest DC office lene hakiwi ku jaka. Why not do it that? Habab he don't consent, please do it that. We are very transparent. Well, skau ba kim dai bas skutu baklam na ba kaning nyom bor mengino komen. Kaya kata king nilai bor mengino komen. Kam don ai nilai bor komen. Ladang ilek bor kamu ngimdon ni ke public hearing lo. Kan yai baik cakap. Dan rai mentang aku ban pensai ke darba. Ya kitu ki bam hun, ki bam persya. Sengau bah. Ajing mot yang ane ha ke public hearing. Nak daw babu kenang ke public hearing lo. Kenang ban yok lut. Ya kijing mot kijing perkat bro. Lapi ong ya ka environmental issue. Lene lapi ong ya ka economical issue. Di kita berkot jadi bandon ha kata public hearing.